help. How do I get started with Google Expeditions? I've just had the idea that I want to use these VR headsets. Where can I go to get help on this website? One place that you can go is if you scroll down to the bottom. There's actually a help button. I love that. And you can see what is Expeditions. You can get an Expeditions kit, and they'll give you all sorts of ideas on what you would need or where you can buy the kits from. What you would need to do if you wanted to build your own kit. Maybe you don't want to purchase it from one of these places right here. What the mobile phone requirements would be. And then what you would need to do to set up your network. So these are all super helpful things that are available on the Google Expeditions page. You can see how to get the Expeditions app. It has information on there as well about that. How to set up your Wi-Fi network, like I said. How to see how Expeditions works. Expedition facts. And then one really cool thing down here at the bottom is that you can actually go to TES and you can find ready-made lesson plans that teachers have already created, or you can add your own after you go on an expedition. So this is very helpful on the Google Expeditions page. But there's also another resource that some people just don't know about. And if you go to the apps up here and you hit the G+ community page, then what you can do is type in, if you don't have this up here, because obviously I'm following Google Expeditions, but if you don't have this on your screen and it doesn't pop up, then you can just type in Google Expeditions, and then you're going to see right here that 26,000 people are already members of this great community. So if you click on that, then you're going to see that there's all sorts of different information that you can get about Google Expeditions. So right here, if you want to, you can click on all posts and you can see it all on your feed. One thing that I like to do is I like to see what people are discussing. So if you click on discussions, then you can see things that people have been discussing on the forum. If you scroll down here, another feature that I really love about the G+ communities is the best practices. And then this is another place. They have weekly tips that you can look at. Some wonderful teachers and IT people have created lessons to show you how they implement Google Expeditions in the classroom. Another great feature is because I know we all have things that we want them to make expeditions about. So right here it says ideas for expeditions that do not exist. One of my favorite pages that you can see right here. So these are just some of the things, like if you had questions and you just got back to your campus and you were unboxing everything and you had questions about how to get things to work, this would definitely be a place where you could come and get your questions answered. There's hardware, there's help, there's bugs with the program. So I hope that you have fun exploring this great Google Plus community. And if you have any questions, just post it on the community page.